Have you ever felt like the tough times would never end? Today, I want to remind you of something incredibly important. Nothing lasts forever, not even your hardest moments. What you're feeling right now, it won't last forever. This is your chance to take those challenges, fears, and mistakes and turn them into something powerful. Sometimes, we get stuck in a loop of trying to avoid bad feelings, and in doing so, we make them worse. But what if you could take that fear and use it to grow? What if the thoughts in your head telling you "I can't" could be turned into "I can"? Even the smallest changes matter. If this video inspires you to take even one small step, it will mean the world to me. Remember, these tough times you're going through aren't permanent. They're temporary and just a part of your journey to becoming stronger and better. Life is like a flowing river. It's always changing. When you realize nothing is permanent, every situation becomes a new opportunity to learn. Instead of seeing challenges as problems, look at them as important lessons that help you grow. Sometimes we go through tough times that hurt or scare us, but those feelings are part of being human. They connect us to others and teach us about ourselves. They reveal our true strength. So don't be afraid to face your fears. Sometimes feeling scared is a signal that you're about to do something great. If you're feeling stuck right now, remember, you have the power to change. You don't have to stay in the same place or make the same mistakes over and over. Even small changes are brave, and they bring you closer to the life you truly want. Think about the last time you felt proud of something, even if it was a small achievement. Those little victories build up and help you become a better person. Don't let what others say or even the doubts in your own mind hold you back. You have the ability to rewrite your story, to make it better, like starting a new chapter in a book. I know it's tough right now, but remember, this feeling won't last forever. It's just like a comma in your story, not the end. The best is still to come. And trust me, we'll get through this together.